Dear students, today we start the next topic, that is relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. This is our next topic, and the definition of it is relative atomic mass is the average mass. Relative atomic mass is the average mass of the atom. Average mass of the atom of an element as compared to 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 atom. One carbon 12 atom. This is known as रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास, यानी कि किसी भी कार्बन 12 एटम के 1/12 मास से हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे, उस एलिमेंट का रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास कहेंगे, है ना. सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ए और. नाउ वी कैन राइट हियर रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. रिलेटिव atomic mass of an elements AR is equal to average mass of atom. Average mass of atom upon 1/12 mass of one atom of C12. There is a word average is used. There is a word average is used. Average word is used in the above definition because most of the element average word is used because most of the elements as they occur in nature consist of isotopes, and therefore all atoms of the element do not have the same mass. Do not have the same mass. Do not have the same mass. Okay, there are some relatively atomic mass of each atom, each element in your book. Table number 3.2. Table number 3.2. Draw this table in your notebook and write and learn all the values of atomic mass. Now we will discuss about next definition, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. ग्राम एटॉमिक मास क्या है आपका? द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एन एलिमेंट, the atomic mass of an element when expressed in grams. Expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. Is called gram atomic mass of that element, of that element. So number of gram atoms is equal to mass of element in grams upon gram atomic mass of the element. Gram atomic mass of the element. Gram atomic mass of the element.